In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate working days in Microsoft Excel. This is a very useful Excel function when you need to measure the number of business days between two dates. It is especially helpful for project timelines, employee scheduling, delivery estimates, or any situation where weekends should not be included in the total. Excel makes this process very simple with a built-in formula. To begin, open your worksheet and enter your start date in cell A2. For example, you can type January 1st, 2026. Then move to cell B2 and enter your end date. For this example, type June 30th, 2026. These two cells will define the date range that Excel will use for the calculation. Once your dates are in place, click on cell C2. This is where the result will appear. In cell C2, type this exact formula. Equals network days open parenthesis, A2, B2 close parenthesis. Written in Excel, that is equal sign network days A2 B2. After typing the formula, press enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the number of working days between the start date in A2 and the end date in B2. This function automatically excludes Saturdays and Sundays, so you do not need to remove weekend days manually. It is important to understand what this result represents. Excel is looking at the full range between the two dates and counting only standard workdays. That means the formula is designed for a typical Monday through Friday schedule. If your work week follows a different pattern, that would require a different approach, but for standard working days, this formula is the quickest and easiest method. Also, make sure your dates are entered as real dates and not plain text. If Excel does not recognize the entries as dates, the formula may not return the correct result. A simple way to confirm this is to check whether Excel aligns the dates correctly and accepts them in your normal date format. So to review, place the start date in A2, place the end date in B2, enter the network days formula in C2, and press enter. Excel will then return the total number of working days, automatically excluding every Saturday and Sunday. That covers everything you need to know.